There are a few fonts that are designed to work in a 3-letter monogram format. They usually have an ascending shape letter on the left side, a larger letter for the center, and a descending shaped letter for the right side. In addition, they may also have decor brackets for either side of the letters. These fonts are typically designated by the words monogram or mono in the name of the font. To use these fonts, first select the monogram font that you want to use. Then click the monogram button on the toolbar. A small window will pop up that allows you to put the initials into 3 separate text boxes. It also has drop-downs that show what decors are available for that font. Simply type the 3-letter monogram and select the decors you want to use and click OK. The monogram will appear on the screen with the letters in the correct orientation. From here, adjust the monogram just as you would with any lettering. When you are finished, right-click and click on Stitch It.